The Foreign Affairs Ministry is reminding Singaporeans planning holidays to North Korea to be aware of the risks, specifically of inadvertently violating UN Security Council sanctions and Singapore laws.
Both the United Nations and Singapore have made it illegal to sell goods such as luxury items to North Korea. And Singapore does not have diplomatic representation in the country, which may constrain its ability to provide consular help if needed.
Fewer than 10 travel agencies here offer tour packages to North Korea. They tell us travelers are properly briefed on what to expect in the country.
Usually before the group's departure, we have either the tour leader or a staff to brief the whole group as to what are the do's and don'ts in the country when they are there. Compared to last time, they can actually bring in their mobile phones. They can buy the SIM card over there to insert and make calls internally.
Currently, most pre-trip briefings focus on general behavior, such as taking photos in restricted areas. But one company says it's open to the ministry's advice.
If the government wants us to enhance into highlighting these issues that are mentioned in this announcement, then probably in our briefing, we will probably add that into the briefing.